Are you looking to make money with Skool? You've come to the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how Skool can help you create and grow your online business. Stick with me till the end to discover not only how to make money with Skool, but also the best alternative that might just be better for your specific goals. First off, Skool is a platform designed for course creators, coaches, and online community builders. It's all about providing an easy way to connect with people and monetize your knowledge. The idea is simple: build a community around a course or coaching program and use that community to generate income. But how do you actually start making money? Let's talk about the first thing you need to know: community building. The key to success on Skool is creating an engaged, loyal community. When you set up your Skool space, focus on offering a real value exchange, whether it's in the form of exclusive content, personalized advice, or a space for people to connect over shared interests. People are willing to pay when they feel like they're part of something special, so building that community should be your first step. Next thing, Skool offers a subscription model. Instead of a one-time payment for your courses or content, you can set up a recurring subscription model. This means you'll make money month after month as long as your members find value. With Skool, you can customize your subscription tiers to offer different levels of access, which helps you scale up as you grow your community. The third thing that Skool does well is integrating your content. It's not just about offering a course here or there. With Skool, you can organize all of your content in a way that keeps members coming back. Whether you're doing live coaching sessions, releasing new lessons, or providing bonus material, you can easily manage everything from one centralized platform. This makes it easier to keep people engaged and willing to pay for ongoing value. Now, let's get to the fourth thing, and this is something important. Skool doesn't have a lot of customization options compared to other platforms. While it's super easy to use, you might find that you're limited in terms of branding and personalization. You can't do things like add fancy custom graphics or change the layout too much, so if you're someone who's into creating a very unique look for your site, Skool might feel a little restrictive. Next, let's address Skool's pricing. It's not the most expensive option out there, but it's not exactly cheap either. You'll need to weigh the benefits against the cost. For some, the subscription model and community features are well worth it. For others, it might not make as much sense if you're on a tight budget or just starting out. And now, here's where things get interesting. While Skool does a lot of things right, there are also some amazing alternatives that might be a better fit for your goals, especially if you're looking for more customization and control. In fact, at the end of this video, I'll share with you one of those alternatives, along with a special offer for an extended free trial you can only access through this link. You'll get all the benefits and even more by signing up through our exclusive offer. So, in conclusion, Skool can help you make money by building a community, offering a subscription model, and delivering valuable content to your members. But keep in mind, it does come with some limitations, especially around customization. If you're looking for something more flexible, stick around because I'll give you an alternative with a longer free trial and features that might better suit your needs. Check out the link in the description to get the best offer and explore the alternatives that could help you reach your goals even faster. Don't miss out on this exclusive deal, available only for you, our viewers.